हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल स्टडी रूम लर्नो अड्डा। आज था क्लास 10th सीबीएसई का साइंस पेपर। चलिए इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। तो सेक्शन ए से स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर सी सही होगा। फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, पी पर ऑक्सीजन कलेक्ट होगी, क्यू पर हाइड्रोजन, एंड आर इज एनोड एंड एस इज कैथोड। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, ऑप्शन नंबर इज डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री, आंसर नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। इट इज एन एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू। बर्निंग ऑफ मैग्नीशियम रिबन इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. So moving on to question number 4. Option number C does not belong to the same homologous series because it belongs to CnS2n while others are belonging to CnS2n plus 2. Question number 5. Option number B is correct, pale green. Question number 6. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind, so option number D is correct. Question number 7. Option number B, second and third is correct. That is, plaster of Paris and washing soda have water of crystallization. Question number 8. Option number D is correct, 100% tall with brown seeds. Question number 9. Option number D. Hypothalamus and pineal pair of endocrine glands is located in the human brain. Question number 10. Option number C is correct. Question number 11. The basic filtration unit of the excretory system in human beings is a nephron. Question number 12. Option number B is correct. The digestive juices secreted by the gastric glands are HCl, pepsin, and mucus. Question number 13. Whenever a light falls on a spherical surface parallel to the principal axis, it goes from focus. So option number C is correct. Question number 14. The part of human eye which controls the amount of light entering into it is option number D, pupil. Question number 15. As we know that from the law that only 10% energy is gained by the second level in the food chain. So option number D is correct, 5000 kilojoule. So the grass will produce 5000 kilojoule, of which 10% will go to grasshopper and the rest 10% will go to frog. That means grass produces 5000 kilojoule, grasshopper will take 500 kilojoule energy, and the frog will take 50 kilojoule energy that is given. Question number 16. Option number C is incorrect, as CFC is used as refrigerant and in fire extinguishers, not the ozone. So we have now question number 17 to 20 as the region. Question number 17, option A is correct. 18, A is correct. 19, A is correct. And question number 20, C is correct. Food web decreases the stability of an ecosystem. This is the wrong statement. Now we have section B. Question number 21, P is Fe and Q is Zn. We have reaction FeSO4 aqueous plus Zn solid gives ZnSO4 aqueous plus Fe solid because zinc is higher than iron. Question number 22a. How is brain protected in our body? So the brain is protected by skull, meninges and CSF called cerebrospinal fluid. Question number B. The region is hindbrain and the part of brain which is responsible for it is cerebellum that maintains posture and balance of the body. Question number 23a. So proteins control the expression of various characters like tallness by regulating growth through the gene expression. The presence of G gene leads to the production of growth hormone that promotes tallness. Or question number B. Explain the mechanism of the inheritance used by sexually reproducing organisms to ensure the stability of DNA of the species. Through mitosis, zygote forms all cells of the progeny. Thus, all progeny cells have the normal diploid condition with 46 chromosomes, ensuring the stability of DNA of the species. Question number 24. Question A. Out of the medium 1 and medium 2, in which is the speed of light more? So in medium 2, the speed of light is more because it is rarer medium, as the refracted ray is moving away from normal. Question number B. State reason of bending of the refracted ray away from the normal. Being rarer, it will bend away from the normal. Question number C. Refractive index is equal to V1 upon V2, means speed in the first medium upon speed in the second medium. Question number 25a. Due to the thin atmosphere and lack of scattering, danger signal lights are red in color because red light is scattered least and it is has longest wavelength, due to which it is visible from greater distances. So what is a rainbow? So a rainbow is a mixture of 7 colors called vibgyor that is formed after rain. We see a rainbow in the sky only after the rainfall. Why? Because raindrops remain suspended after rain in the clouds and the sky, and the opposite side of the sky acts like a screen, and the total internal reflection happens in every raindrop. Question number 26. Why we do not clean natural ponds or lakes, whereas an aquarium or a swimming pool needs to be cleaned regularly? Why? Because obviously natural ponds and lakes have natural cleaners and decomposers, due to which it is not necessary to clean it. But an aquarium and a swimming pool is not a naturally ecosystem, it is an artificially built, so we have to clean regularly. Section C, I have written the chemical reactions. The first is 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Second is natural gas is called methane. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. And glucose reacts with oxygen in the cells of our body. That means C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O and energy. Question number 28. As an antacid because of basic nature of baking soda, and as a constituent in baking powder because uh, after reaction it gives us CO2 and is used in baking to make fluffy and porous like cake. And in soda acid fire extinguishers, because when baking soda is known as sodium bicarbonate, so when NaHCO3 heated, it releases CO2 and H2O that is used to extinguish the fire. Now, when an acid reacts with metal, gives salt plus H2, acid with base, salt plus H2O, and acid with carbonate, salt plus H2O and CO2. Question number 29. Oxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary veins and deoxygenated blood by vena cava to the human heart. And the chamber is right atrium, and how deoxygenated blood from this chamber is sent to lungs for oxygenation, from right atrium to right ventricle, then from right ventricle to pulmonary artery, and then to lungs for oxygenation. Question number 30. You can find all the answers in your book. Question number 31. So question number A, what is the focal length of the convex lens used? Give reason to justify your answer. The focal length is 15 centimeter without doing any calculation, because if we place the object at 2f, we get the image at 2f at the other side of the lens. So here we have 30, at 30 centimeter we get the same distance from the lens, so half of this distance is 15. So by not doing any calculation, we get the 15 centimeter as the focal length. Question number B, the 8th set is incorrect. You can also find the reason there. Question number 6, C, draw a ray diagram to show image formation for any correct set of observation. So you can find any ray diagram. Question number 32, name the defect of vision the person is suffering from, that is hypermetropia. 2 causes, focal length of eye lens is too long, eyeball become too small. The focal length of the lenses used in the spectacles is 50 centimeter. Potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. That means 1 joule is work done for 1 coulomb of charge from moving point B to point A. Option number B, the first is ammeter, the second is rheostat. So section D, all questions were very theoretical and very easy. So you can find in all the answers in your book. The first is name an alcohol and so you can find this answer in chapter carbon and its compound. What are soaps? It's all the answers is given in your book. And of section E also. Let's discuss 39. So just combine the X and Y resistor in parallel and the voltmeter with this combination in parallel. In second question, in which combination of resistors will the potential difference across X and Y and current through X and Y will be the same? In parallel, potential difference remains same and current remains same in the series combination. Find the current drawn and determine the equivalent resistance. So by applying the formula, you can all get the answers. So thank you and Jai Hind.